Parrot.
18-year-old Congo African gray. Sweetest bird in the world.
Could you do that
Socialize
tossing?
very well. They do. They socialize very well. Give them kitty. Such as kitties. And we don't work them long. We work them an hour a day. He gets tired. He gets tired doing the same thing. At least until about the middle of this. That's a no. I need my... You ever get bit by a bird and you want to make sure he lets you go? Don't try and pry this part. Go behind it. Go behind it. Please. Focus. Thank you.
Wow, good boy.
Birdie juggle in. Whoops. Whoops. 360.
Wow.
Boomerang bird.
Well, he likes that action.